Hey guys, it's Sade D, the business bestie, and I am back with kind of a video that's going to slow it down and backtrack just a little bit in regards to Instagram. Now, when I started, I jumped in assuming that everybody knows exactly what they need to know about just beginning to get on Instagram, just creating your profile, starting from scratch, etc., etc. But I neglected to think about those people who are looking for something more along the lines of Instagram for beginners. So this video is for you. If you have not even created your Instagram profile and you're trying to figure out how to do that and what your profile should look like, your business profile should look like, this is the video for you. So this is going to be a Instagram for beginners type video. So if you already know how to create your profile and what your profile should look like as a small business, then it's probably not the video for you. If you want to stick around, you can, but this is going to be specifically Instagram for beginners. Tell me what you want, what you need. 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 Tell me. So, number one, the one thing that I want to talk about first is your profile picture. Now, for Great Day Business Solutions, my profile picture is my logo. I didn't want to put my face on my profile picture because I didn't want to be the face of my business. I guess that's changed a little bit, but I still want Great Day Business Solutions to stand as an entity. So depending on how you feel about if you want to be the face of your business or if you just want to have your business stand as an entity, that's how you'll determine what you're going to use for your profile picture. I always say, lean towards your logo first. And if you start to grow as the personality behind your business and you want to be in front of your business and you want to be the representative at all times, then you can always go ahead and put your picture up there with your company branding, like in your company colors or whatever it may be. You have that option to do that. But just starting off, I would just put the logo up there and let that be. Okay, so then right beside the logo, you're going to see three things. You're going to see your post count. That's how many posts you've made on Instagram at all. At the beginning, it's probably going to be 0. So that number is probably going to be 0. The middle number is the number of people that are following you. So that's basically the people that are interested in your account and what you have to say or what you have to offer. Now, I am going to create a visual aid so you can see what I'm talking about. So let me go ahead and put that up now. Okay, now the next number, the furthest to the right, is going to be your following. That's how many people that you are following with your business account. These are accounts that you are interested in. Now, a rule of thumb when you're creating your business account is that you always want to follow accounts that are similar to you but larger in size, because that tells Instagram how to suggest your account to other people who may not be following you. So for example, if you are a, shoe company, a small business shoe company, you're going to want to follow Nike or Adidas, but then you also want to follow smaller shoe companies that are maybe local to your area. Do a little bit of research and find shoe companies that have somewhere between 1,000 and 10,000 followers, and then find shoe companies that have somewhere between 100 and 500,000 followers. So you want to have a nice array of the same type of account that you have with different follower counts, so that Instagram can know to go ahead and suggest their followers to your account so that you can grow. Okay, so the next thing we're going to talk about next on the list is your business name. A lot of people make the mistake of just randomly putting the name of their company, and sometimes the company does not indicate what the business is about. So, for example, if I just put Great Day on my account and I had nothing related to business or small businesses or digital launch or anything in that name, I just had Great Day there and with no context. That's a no-no. You always, if your business doesn't have context embedded in the name, what you want to do is put your business name there and then put that large slash there, and after it put whatever it is that whatever industry that your business is in. So for example, if Great Day, if I wasn't called Great Day Business, right, I would put Great Day slash small business consultant, or Great Day slash digital launch consultant, or something to let them know what's going on, what I'm offering on my profile. And this is a good tip to use because it tells Instagram in the search where your profile should fall when somebody's looking for business consultants or looking for digital strategists, etc., etc. And I'm just using my business as an example for that. Next, under there in your bio, in the description, what you want to do is tell what you do and for whom. So what does your business do and who do you do it for? And be specific as possible, because that's what's called niching. You want to niche down so that you can find your exact customer, your exact target customer. When you don't niche down and you're trying to reach everybody, you end up reaching nobody. So specifically, I help businesses nail their digital launch. So I'm not just putting like I'm a business consultant and, you know, I do everything under the sun for small businesses. That's not going to help you when people are searching for a specific service. So when people are searching for someone that can help them with their digital launch, digital launch strategist, or a digital launch consultant, or an Instagram launch consultant, some type of a launch type person, my profile is going to be bubbling up to the top of those searches. So you always want to put what it is that you do and who you do it for very, very specifically. The next thing we're going to talk about is the call to action. After telling them what it is that you do and who you do it for, always include a call to action at the bottom of that bio that links them back to your website if you have a website. If not, link them back to some way of communicating with you. If all you have is DMs or whatever for right now, then direct them to your DM. DM me for X, Y, and Z. Always include a call to action, because that's going to help your conversion rate. Now they know how to contact you. Now, once they've seen your profile and they decide, okay, this is the person that I need to help me, or this is what I'm interested in their product or service. Now they have a clear way of contacting you. So, add the call to action, definitely. Okay, next on the list, the highlight buttons. So I'm going to do a deeper dive on how you set up your highlight covers and what they're kind of used for. But just in general, what this does is kind of gives you somewhat of a soft website. These highlight covers are going to explain quick facts or important links that will explain to your client or customer how to work with you, or show them what you've done, or show them something very specific to your business. Now, for example, on mine, I have business tips as a highlight cover. So in that, I use my stories to tell my followers business tips and tricks or different little hacks that I know to expand or grow their business. The next thing that I have on there as a highlight cover is services. You always want to have somewhere where they can go and learn about what it is that you do and what how you do it. The next thing I have in my highlight covers is my clients, because my clients, I love my clients, but they also are a testament of the work that I do. So seeing my client profiles and seeing kind of like their testimonials will help potential clients decide if they want to work with me or not. So I have that there. And then I have something that I've been working on, WSEIB, When Songs Explain It Better. So that's a segment that I'm going to do with my reels that I'm working on adding more videos to. So it's going to be something more along the entertainment side or the edutainment side. That'll be right there as kind of like my trademark, for the lack of a better phrase. And then under that, that's where your posts show up. That's where everything that you post on Instagram will show up. Now, this is another thing that I'll do a deep dive on, because I want to explain how to create patterns and how to make your profile stand out. So I have a 3-character pattern, I guess, going on my profile, that you will see if you ever visit my profile. You'll see that I do the two-toned card, then I do the gray card, and then I do the aqua card all the time. This is consistent across my profile, and it shows up very nice and clean looking when you're scrolling my profile. It's very probably OCD, but this is something that you can do with your profile to kind of show them a bit of organization and show that you put thought behind the things that you post. It's not mandatory. Some content strategists and some Instagram gurus will tell you just post, don't worry about making your profile pretty. I'm not one of them. I like for my profile to look a certain way. I like it to be fully branded. So I keep it very consistent when I'm posting. And this is just a matter of using 3 different templates and, knowing when to use them, just using them in the same order every time. That's all it is. It's not anything. It's not rocket science or anything like that. So here's where you start when you are creating your business profile. So if you've gotten to the point where you've signed up for Instagram and you're just like, what do I do? Here is the anatomy of your profile. Here's where you start, and here's where you start to brand your business and yourself on Instagram. I hope this helps, and I will be back with deep dives on what everything on this profile means, how you get to these things, and how to put them there in a future video. But I just wanted to give a brief overview and not overload you on Instagram and all its intricate details. So here's Instagram for beginners, the Instagram profile for beginners. Let me know if this was helpful, and let me know what deep dives you want to see next. So if you like this video, go ahead and click subscribe. Go ahead and share it with other business owners that may need this information, and I'll be back with more.